guys, welcome to Market Bag. This week we're at Papine Market.
Alicia?
Chef Lumley?
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm filming Market Bag.
Oh, I know this. This is on Instagram.
Yeah.
Here, me I take over this week. Come look what's in my bag. Come.
Okay,
come,
all right, let's go.
So in Scotland, there's a bonnet, like a dress. It's shaped like this. So that's why they call it Scotch bonnet. But you see other peppers, like they look flat or like this. So this is not you see the difference?
Yeah.
There's a little thing on the bottom. So this may be hot and have the flavor, but this like little mushroom. Yeah, if you put this in your mouth, a nuclear bomb will go off. On an everyday basis, Jamaica is gonna take sweet pepper, tomato, onion, and that will go a wide cross section of dishes. So if you think about the tomato, sweet pepper, carrots, onion, you're talking about that covering dishes like all of your saltfish dishes, your okra and saltfish dishes, your ackee and saltfish dishes, your mackerel rundown, your smoked mackerel, even your stewed chicken. All of those vegetables will cover all of those dishes, right? And that's a Jamaican staple every day.
What are the three must-have?
Like I love vegetables. So salad, I have a salad every day, but in my salad, there's at least 8 ingredients every time, right? So when you tell me pick 2 or 3, okay, the fundamental of it, I have to have lettuce. I have to have Scotch bonnet pepper because that's the basis of all other seasonings. And I have to have, I don't know, scallion sometimes. It just depends. It's too much ingredient. All of this, you have to have it.
When it comes to you shopping personally, does it look different from you shopping as a chef? What are some things that you get differently?
Every now and then I'll feel for something outside of Jamaican cuisine. So I'll get the basic stuff at the market. Because for a chef, we love fresh vegetables. We love fresh ingredients.
I know you mentioned planting. We have an egg shortage, or we had an egg shortage and we have a planting shortage. What are some of the things that you would have used to substitute in your dishes?
You know, there's not many things you can substitute for eggs and plantain. I mean, green banana is gonna make a comeback, but if plantain is short, banana is also short. But, you know, we have a lot of yams, a lot of sweet potato, a lot of Irish potato as well. So those things, you can get similar textured stuff that plantain would have. So if you refry plantain, not the sweet one, the green one, you can make a potato smash, will get the same texture as a plantain, right? And it fills you the same way. Eggs is not much substitute for eggs.
This one kind of kicking.
They will kick up, but they'll jump over there, but you have to kind of
I don't want them to pick
them.
me.
I'm not gonna pick you. You just have a cup them. Cup him.
Oh.
Yeah, cup him. Hold him. Right. There you go. The chickens are really cute, but we didn't get to come to the market to get chickens, so. But I got some really cool stuff. I got green banana, which is very golden, and I got some lovely Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, this is still gold.
Yeah.
Still expensive. Purple onions I use a lot in my salads. It doesn't have a harsh flavor like the white onions. They have a subtle sweet flavor that I like, right? So those are some of the stuff I have in my market bag. Lots of vegetables and fresh fruits. I'm gonna kick it back over to her because ultimately it's her show.
All right, thank you so much for joining us, Chef Lumley.
Pleasure.
Always great to have you, and thank you for taking over Market Bag. Maybe you can come back next time.
And do some cooking in the market. Hey, an idea, you know.
All right, until next time, bye guys.
See ya.